Look at this question is 0 to pi and x dx upon 1 plus sin x, and this we write I equal to. Here also we use the formula integral 0 to a fx dx equal to, we can write 0 to a, place of x we write a minus x. So here place of x we have to write pi minus x. Okay, so we will get 0 to pi, place of x we write pi minus x and dx, and here 1 plus sine pi minus x. Look here, by this we get 0 to pi, and here we can write the pi minus x as it is, and in denominator 1 sine pi minus x we have sine x only, 1 plus sine x. Okay, and this we can do separate it means 0 to pi, and here pi upon 1 plus sine x and dx minus 0 to pi x dx upon 1 plus sine x, and this we can see this is a quotient, so we can write again this pi we take outside, 0 to pi and 1 and dx upon 1 plus sine x. Okay, and this is I we can take in the left hand side, I plus I we get 2i equal to pi and 0 to pi and 1 upon 1 plus sine x. Look here, this we can transfer these two, so I equal to pi by 2 and 0 to pi we get 1 upon 1 plus sine x and dx. Okay, this 1 plus sine x means we have to multiply by 1 minus sine x and divide by 1 minus sine x. Okay, we can write here multiply and divide by 1 minus sine x. Look here, we can get here in numerator we get 1 minus sine x. Okay, and in denominator we get 1 plus sine x and 1 minus sine x. We can write here 1 minus sine square x, and 1 minus sine square x we can write here, this is 0 to pi and 1 minus sine x upon 1 minus sine square means we can write here cos square x, and we can do separate. Okay, we can do separate this, we will get 0 to pi 1 upon cos square means we can get here sec square x, and look at sine upon cos is tan x. Okay, and 1 cos is remaining, 1 upon cos is sec x. Okay, so this type we can get this separate. If you do separate, 1 upon cos square is sec square x, sin x upon cos x is tan x, and 1 upon cos is sec x. Now these integrals are standard integral. We know already the integral of sec square x is tan x, and integral of sec x tan x is here sec x. Okay, and this limit is 0 to pi. So first we put pi, so we get pi by 2 tan pi minus sec pi. Okay, then we put here 0, so we get here sec tan 0 minus sec 0. Okay, and look here, we will get here pi by 2, tan pi is 0 and sec pi is here 1, sec pi is minus 1, so minus 1 we can write, and here sec 0 is tan 0 is 0 and sec 0 is 1. So look here, this minus minus plus 1 and this also plus 1, which get here 2 and 2, so this we get here pi. So pi is our answer. All of you understand this? Look at this question, 0 to pi by 2 and sin x minus cos x and dx upon 1 plus sin x into cos x. Here also we will use the same formula, 0 to a fx dx equal to 0 to a f a minus x and dx. This formula we will use again. So look here, this we write I, and this also I equal to 0 to pi by 2. Place of x we write pi by 2 minus x cos pi by 2 minus x, and in denominator also we use the same method, 1 plus sine pi by 2 minus x cos pi by 2 minus x. So this we get, look here, we already know the value of sine pi by 2 minus x. Sine pi by 2 minus x is cos x, and cos pi by 2 minus x is sin x. Okay, here also we get sin pi by 2 x minus, this is cos x, and cos pi by 2 minus x is sin x. Okay, so this is dx. Now you check equation 1 and 2. These we can add. This is equation 1 and this is equation 2. We can write here add 1 and 2. So we can write here 2i, and 0 to pi by 2 we write here sin x minus cos x upon 1 plus sin x cos x plus cos x minus sin x upon 1 plus cos x and sin x and whole dx. All of you understand? Now we take LCM. So when we take LCM, look here, this is 0 to pi by 2 and LCM is 1 plus sin x and cos x. So if you take LCM, you get in numerator sin x minus cos x plus cos x and minus sin x. Okay, and dx. This sin x cancel, cos x cancel, we get here 0. 0 to pi by 2 and 0 dx, and this is 0. 0 we get here, so 2i equal to we get 0, means we can write here I equal to 0. So this answer of this integral is 0 we get. Look at this question, integral minus 5 to 5 modulus x plus 2 and dx, and look here this function is given to us x plus 2, and this fx is 0, means we get x equal to minus 2, and this minus 2 is between, we have minus 5 and 5. Minus 5 is here and here is 5, and this minus 2 is here. Okay, look here, for if x belongs to minus 5 to minus 2, then this modulus x plus 2 we can write minus. Look here, if x belongs to minus 5 to minus 2, then this modulus of x plus 2 will be minus of x plus 2, because look here, in between these if you put value minus 3 here, minus 3 means negative, you have negative means you have to make the positive, so you can write here minus. Okay, and for x belongs to minus 2 to 5, then we will have modulus x plus 2 will be equal to x plus 2 only, because minus 2, more than minus 2 we can put here 0 1 2 3, then you will get here positive. Positive means you need not to multiply by minus. So look here, this we can write here minus 5 to minus 2, and minus 5 to minus 2 we have this modulus, if you remove means you get here minus x plus 2 and dx, and plus then minus 2 to 5, and here is x plus 2 only we have to write. Now we will do the integral, so we get minus as it is, and integral of x is x square upon 2, and integral of 2 is 2x, and limit we have minus 5 to minus 2. Here also integral is x square upon 2 and 2x. Okay, minus 2 to 5. Now we will put the limit, so we get minus, and here first we put minus 2, so minus 2 square upon 2 plus 2 into minus 2. Okay, this is first, and then minus, now we put minus 5, so minus 5 square upon 2 plus 2 into minus 5 and whole bracket, same as it is we have. Now you put 5, so 5 square upon 2, okay, and plus 2 into 5 and minus, then you put minus 2, so minus 2 square and upon 2 plus 2 into minus 2, okay, and whole bracket close. So this we have to solve, so minus, and minus 2 square is 4, 4 upon 2 is 2, okay, this minus 4 we have, then minus minus 5 square is 25, 25 by 2, and this is minus 10 we have. Okay, this is close. 5 5 are 25 by 2 and plus 10 we have. Then minus 2 square is 4, 4 upon 2 is 2, and this is minus 4 we have. So these we have to solve. Look here, we get here minus 2, and open the bracket otherwise, so minus 25 by 2 and minus minus plus 10 we have. Okay, then plus here also 25 by 2 plus 10, and this will be minus 2. minus 2 and minus minus plus 2 have. So look here, this we get minus, and here is 10 minus 2 is 8. 8 minus 25 by 2, and plus we get here 25 by 2 and plus 12. Okay, now you open the bracket, we get here minus 8 plus 25 by 2. Okay, and plus 25 by 2 and plus 12. 12 minus 8 is 4, and 25 by 2 and 25 by 2 we can write 25. So answer is 29. So here answer we get 29. All of you understand this? Look here, we will do one question. Integral minus pi by 2 to pi by 2 sine square x. Look here, we have the formula. You can check again the formula, integral minus a to a fx dx, and this we can write double of 0 to a fx dx. When place of x, if you write minus x, you get fx only, and this will be 0 if f minus x equal to minus fx we have. So this formula we will use here. So look here, place of a we have here pi by 2. Okay, so and you have to check only fx. So here this fx equal to sine square x, and place of x we write minus x. Okay, sine square minus x. Look here, this is actually sine minus x and whole square. This sine minus x is minus sine x, but above is whole square, so again we get sine square x. And this sine square x is equal to fx, means we can write here f minus x is fx, means it is a even function, and double we can do. Okay, so we can write here this I equal to double of 0 to pi by 2 and sine square x and dx. And now look here, again you can check this, we can use here the formula 0 to a fx dx. We can write here the 0 to a f a minus x dx. Okay, so we get here I equal to 0 to pi by 2, we can write here sine square, place of x pi by 2 minus x. Okay, and this we can write 0 to pi by 2, this will be cos square x. Okay, and this we add, this is equation 1 and this is equation 2. So we will add here, add 1 and 2, we get here 2i equal to, this 2 is common, and 0 to pi by 2 we can write here sine square x plus cos square x and dx, and this is value is 1, so we can write here 0 to pi by 2 1 dx, and one integral is, we can write x, one integral is x 0 to pi by 2. So we will put here, this is 2i equal to 2, and this is pi by 2. Okay, so this 2 cancel, and I equal to pi by 2. This is our answer. All of you understand this? This is our answer. Look here, one more question we do same as it is, that minus pi by 2 pi by 2 sine power 7 x and dx. Here we use the same formula, minus a to a fx dx equal to double of 0 to a fx dx if f minus x equal to fx, but it will be 0 if f minus x equal to minus fx. So look here, fx is equal to sine say power 7x, and if you put place of x minus x, then we get 7 this and minus x. Look here, actually this 7 means we can write sine minus x and power 7, and here we can write minus sine x. Okay, and this power is 7, so we can write here this minus power 7 means we can write minus sine 7x, and this is equal to, we can write f, this minus and fx we can write, means we get here f minus x equal to minus fx. Okay, so we get this integral value will become 0. This integral value will be 0, because we know already that if my f minus x equal to minus fx means answer we get here direct 0. Look here, one more question is 0 to 2 pi cos power 5x and dx. Look here we use this formula 0 to 2a fx dx equal to double of 0 to a fx dx if place of x, if we write 2a minus x, place of x we write 2a minus x, means we get again the fx only, then it will be double. But if we have the f 2a minus x is minus fx, then it will value will be equal to 0. So this we can write here I equal to 0 to 2 pi and cos power 5x and dx. Here function, this function fx is, we can write here cos x and whole power 5, and place of x here a look here 2a is pi, 2a is 2 pi. So a will be look at 2a minus x we have to do. What we do? 2a minus x means this 2a minus x we do here. Look here, this f place of x 2 pi minus x we write. So here we can write cos 2 pi minus x whole power 5. Okay, and cos 2 pi minus x we can write, this is in the fourth quadrant and cos is positive, so we can write here cos x and whole power 5, means we can write here cos power 5x, and this is equal to fx. So you can check here this f 2 pi minus x equal to fx. Okay, so this we can write this integral, we can write here double and this 0 to pi only, because here you can check 0 to 2 pi, 2a means we write 0 to a only. So here 0 to pi and we can write here cos power 5x and dx. Okay, now again we will use this formula. Okay, so what we do here, this is double and 0 to we write here 2 into pi by 2, 2 into pi by 2 cos power 5x and dx. Again we write here fx, and here fx is cos power 5x. Okay, now again place of x, look here, this is a, and place of x we will put pi minus x. Okay, place of x we will put pi minus x. So look here, we get here cos power 5 and pi minus x. Actually pi minus x and this power we can write here this as a power, and cos pi minus x means second quadrant, and second quadrant cos is negative, so we can write minus cos x and power 5. This power 5 means we can write cos minus cos power 5x, means we can write here minus this is fx. Okay, this is minus fx. So here this f pi minus x is minus fx, means in this case we can write here answer is 0. So this I is become 0. I is become 0 means answer is here we can write here 0. All of you understand this?